daughter wanted, Evie.
Ooh, that is nice.
That's in the kids department. That's a child's large.
I don't care. That's still nice.
I couldn't get in it. You should see Lynn. She laughed. I got the feet on. I got it to here and couldn't zip it. And I'm like, that's the picture of me with my head cut off. I got this on.
Oh.
This is what I had on. This is Evie. Evie in her beatsy pajamas. What is she doing?
That light up
Baby,
mouse.
it lights up.
Oh my god, me and my sister just Netflix over. Awesome!
That looks like something. Not open. Not open.
The mousey. The mousey.
You didn't open this? Good. I had that at my house.
Same thing?
Yep.
Do you have one?